Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Wheelhouse Wonders. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage, a perfect blend of classic charm and modern performance. This retro-inspired pickup pays homage to the legendary Dodge trucks of the past while integrating cutting-edge technology and power. Let's dive right into what makes this truck a head-turner. Starting with the exterior, the Ram Vintage boasts a stunning, old-school design with a modern twist. Its deep glossy black paint, chrome-accented grille, and round LED headlights bring a timeless appeal. The lowered stance, flared fenders, and custom multi-spoke wheels give it an aggressive yet elegant profile. The sleek body lines, along with dual exhausts and classic Ram badging, make this truck look like a showstopper on the road. The tailgate carries the vintage Ram lettering, while modern LED taillights subtly enhance its nostalgic look. Stepping inside, the interior is a blend of vintage aesthetics and modern comfort. The cabin is wrapped in rich brown leather, featuring classic stitching and wooden trims. The retro-style dashboard houses analog dials with digital enhancements, while the large touchscreen infotainment system keeps you connected with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The wooden steering wheel and old-school toggle switches add to the nostalgic experience, but don't be fooled, heated and ventilated seats, premium audio, and wireless charging bring modern-day luxury. Under the hood, the performance is nothing short of impressive. The Ram Vintage packs a 5.7L HEMI V8, delivering 400 horsepower and 420 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth shifts. A hybrid-assisted version is also available, enhancing fuel efficiency. Despite its vintage look, this truck is built for power, offering a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just under 6 seconds, along with excellent towing capability. When it comes to safety features, Dodge ensures you're well protected. Advanced driver assist systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera make driving safer and more convenient. The high-strength steel frame and modern crash protection features ensure durability and security on the road. What makes the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage truly unique is its ability to capture nostalgia while delivering a modern driving experience. It stands out as a collector's dream, appealing to both classic truck enthusiasts and those looking for a stylish, high-performance ride. The price is expected to start at $65,000, depending on the trim and optional upgrades. In conclusion, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage is a masterpiece, a truck that brings the past into the future without compromising performance, safety, or comfort. Whether you're a classic car lover or just want a head-turning, high-powered pickup, this truck is worth every penny. Let me know in the comments what you think about this beast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wheelhouse Wonders for more exciting reviews. See you in the next video.